everyone, and welcome to More to Explore. I am Miss Natasha, and today we're going to try some engineering challenges. Okay, so in your September kit you will find the engineering challenge bag. It will have this picture, it will have giant popsicle sticks, it will have wooden cubes, and it will have little plastic cups. Okay, so the first challenge we're going to do is the one at the top right of your image. And it starts with this little cube, so just one cube to begin with. And then you're going to take the popsicle stick and you're going to put it on top. Remember, it has to be at the center. That way you can balance all the weight you're going to put on each side. And then 2 cups, one at each end of the popsicle stick, and then a popsicle stick on top. And you'll repeat with 2 more cups directly on top, one on each end, and the last popsicle stick with 2 more cups. Now you are welcome to keep on going if you'd like. You have the supplies. But I'm going to move on to the next engineering challenge. Okay, the next engineering challenge we're going to do is the one at the bottom right with the cubes on top of the popsicle stick, the 2 cups, and balancing everything, the 1 cup. Let's begin. So you'll take your 1 cup, and then you're going to take a popsicle stick, and you're going to balance that. 2 cups at each end, and you're going to put the weight of the cubes in the middle. Now it's important to start with the weight right at the center on top of this first cup. And then I want you to place one on each side of that first cube at the same time. Okay? And again, center, and again, one on each side. That way it stays balanced. And you can keep going. So if you want, you can move your cups towards the ends, so you can try to fit more blocks on. Or you can try to even out the blocks. But remember, you can make this as creative as you'd like. You just got to balance everything. Okay, so the next challenge we're going to try is the one at the bottom left. And it starts with 1 block and then a popsicle stick. And you want that block again in the center of your popsicle stick so you can balance the stick. And then you're going to put 2 blocks, one at each end. Try to drop them at the same time. And then you're going to put another popsicle stick on top. Again, a block at each end. Block in the middle. Okay, this is the fun part. You're going to put a cup on top of the middle. And you're going to put a block in the center. And another block in the center. You're going to close this cup, and you're going to put a stick on top. Pretty neat, huh? Alright, so you can keep going if you would like. Absolutely. You still got blocks and cups left. Okay? So for our last challenge, we're going to do the one right here in the middle. It starts with the 1 block. And then you're going to put the stick on top. And then you're going to put a block in the middle and a block on each side. Try to let them go at the same time. And then a stick on top. And then one in the middle, one on each end. Stick on the top. top, one block in the middle, one on each end. Stick on top. And that's that challenge. Again, you're welcome to keep going and to use your other supplies. If you are interested in more challenges, I have left the link or URL right here that you can type in into your address bar at home. So it does have more challenges. It's at the bottom of this sheet if you're interested. Okay, so I'm going to challenge you to make something that is not on there. Maybe something that you've been wanting to make, and I want you to start at the base. I want this to be entirely your own. I'm going to do my own as well. So I challenge you to make mine, and I challenge you to make one of your own. And maybe you can challenge somebody in the house to make it as well. Okay, so for mine, I am going to start with the blocks. I'm going to put 5 in a row, and then 4 in a row, and then 3 in a row, right on top. And then I'm going to put a cup right in the center there. And I'm going to put a block inside, and then I'm going to put a cup on top, and then I'm going to put a block right on top of that cup so it keeps it in place. And then I'm going to put a stick right there. Block's got to be center. I'm going to take 2 more sticks. Again, center of the sticks. Right there at each end. Then I'm going to put 2 cups, and I'm going to put them right where they cross, those sticks cross. And then I'm going to take another stick, put it on top. Let's do the red one for me. Okay. And then I'm going to put another cup. Uh-oh. Hit it. There we go. And then I'm going to put another stick. And mine is super tall. So remember to balance the weight of everything, and you should be able to make it pretty tall. So I do challenge you to make mine. Enjoy. You might be asking yourself, why is an engineering activity useful? Well, engineering experiences challenge students, children, to develop higher order thinking skills through processes such as inquiry, problem solving, and creative thinking.